Has Donald Trump ever drawn a picture? The US president's artistic abilities are in the spotlight after the Wall Street Journal published what it said was a note from Trump to convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein for his 50th birthday. The note, which is written inside the outline sketch of a body of a naked woman, contains a cryptic reference to a wonderful secret. Trump denies writing the note, and now he's suing the Wall Street Journal and its owner Rupert Murdoch for $10 billion. The Wall Street Journal did not actually publish the note, which has left room for people to share fake versions of it online. In trying to dismiss the story, Trump said, "I never wrote a picture in my life. I don't draw pictures of women." But that claim doesn't hold up. Trump has been donating drawings to charity auctions for years. Here's a sketch of a city skyline drawn by Donald Trump that was auctioned at Sotheby's in 2003. And then there's this drawing of a money tree, which was auctioned as recently as 2020. So Trump's claim that he never draws pictures doesn't tally with his very public career as an amateur doodler.